Hello everyone. Okay, बनाउने how to make PDF file. So to know that I'm going to show you this demo. So see clearly. I'll first go to the Play Store. In Play Store, search for Cam Scanner. Cam SCANNER and search that things. Okay, and directly you can get Cam Scanner with the written like this CS, or if you do not get, if you get the list like these things, then select that CS. Okay, the demo is for this Cam Scanner CS. So I will hit there in totally depend upon the size of the software, size of the app. Open. Okay, I have touched there in the open icon, so it will give you some demo like these things, how to do and what to do. Okay, I will just skip this, and it will say register or sign in. If you register or sign in, then it will provide you some sort of uh, memory space. So I will sign in. So enter phone number or email address, it is asking the things. I will hit my phone number there. uh, okay, let us wait. 416301. 416301 is the code. Okay, it is asking for the password, so password, give the password there. Okay, then it will ask you allow camera to access photo media and file on your own device. Yeah, of course, allow. And then start scanning. So let me show you by scanning these things. I'm going to scan my own copy. So let's check these things, check this out. Start scanning, and it will ask to take the picture. Yeah, allow this taking picture, and you can see start demo. So here is cross sign, so click in this cross sign and let us scan this. So okay, my leg is coming, let me remove my leg, and the bed sheet is also coming there. So I will click here. As you can see, some dot sign are there. So if you haven't clicked there properly, then you can check your copy, and if you have clicked it properly or not, that doesn't matter anything. See, I'm going to move these things so that my copy will be covered properly, and I will move this topward, and Peter also will not get any extra bed sheet or leg or something like that like mine. So if I do next here, see, it is showing the arrow, the blinking sign for the first time. So I will click there, then it is the process of cropping. So automatically you will get the paper like this. See how clear it is now. So what you have to do is okay, this is page number 1 no. So for your convenience, for easiness, I will write here 1. Okay, page 1, page 1. Okay, so and here you can again see in the right bottom corner, save is blinking there. Okay, I will click in the save, and you have used 2 MB already, get premium, this and that. So it is asking to upgrade. I know why to upgrade, so I will not upgrade this now. Now page number 1 is clicked. There are more pages, so I'm showing this demo how to create the PDF file now. So I will click in the continue. You can see this continue here now, just below the share. So I will click in the continue, then see this is the first page. So I will click go in the next page and click the photo of this. The fan is disturbing me a lot. Let me keep the book here. Okay, so check this out. Almost my page is tilted, but that doesn't matter anything. So you should make sure that you will not move that camera. Okay, now check how clear the tilted picture will appear while clicking the next. Now you can see. So it is showing some demo. Yeah, so see, as far as possible, click in the straight way. So click in the save. The second page is also clicked correctly. Again, if there is third page also, then what you will do is you will click in the continue. If there is only 2 pages, then you will, I'll say what to do. Now again, I will click in the continue, and see here I will click the photo again of my copy. So check this out. I'm cropping this. Okay, almost done. Almost all the portion of the handwriting appeared there. So I will click there in the next and wait for a while. Yeah, now all done. So I'll click there in the save option. So you can say page 1 is written at the top. So this is not page 1. I will write here what is the name of the classwork that you are supposed to send. No, so I'll write here MATHS Maths 1 homework, or you can write here like INDICES or something, whatever classwork you are supposed to send. No, that you have to click. So I will write here Maths 1. You can choose any name there. Understood? So Maths 1 or any other thing, like take the example, you are doing the biology work, then write there biology, or if you are doing the indices of the mathematics, then indices. So you can choose any name. So I will click in the OK here. Okay, after that, if I click in the continue, then what happens? Then I will be directed towards the camera only. So what I will do is I will click in now. I will click here in share. So click in the share. Then it will give you the option share PDF. So I will click here in the share PDF. And it will say original size, medium or small. That doesn't matter anything. You can choose original size also. But I prefer you all to click there in the medium size, okay, or small also. So medium, I'm going to share medium. This much lots of option you will get there in the mobile phone also. So I'm concerned with saving this to the local. See this thing, save to local is there. I hope you can see that. No, save this to local. If I click here and save this to local, it will say tags. Okay, the file have been saved at storage emulated cam scanner PDF. So our work is done. Yes, done. So here is our done at the right top corner of the mobile phone. So I'll click then done. Then you can see 01, 02 and 03 appear there in maths 1. You can check the file there 01, 02, 03. Okay, so maths 1. So cam scanner is done here. If you want to scan any other copy, then you can click instantly in the camera portion here, and yeah, you can begin to click for any other file like science or social, any other thing. Okay, for now this is a demo. So I'm done with the math. So I will go back to yes, quit now. I will go back to my mobile phone and go to the classroom app. Okay, let us see classroom app. For the demo I'm going to 9 Parijat there. Okay, classwork app. So we can see bunches of things. So I have done of indices or math. Which question, which solution you have just clicked from the copy. So choose that. Okay, so I will choose say okay, maths 1. So I will choose maths 1, and you can see here your work at the downward, pull this upward. So plus sign, add attachment. In laptop cam scanner or scanning things is not available, so it will be easier for you all to install cam scanner and Google Classroom in mobile phone only. It will help you to click the photo. Okay, so I'll now add attachment. Previously we used to go in the take photo. Now no, we have already clicked the photo, so do not go there in the take photo. This time what we will do is we have to upload the file. So click in the file. Okay, then it will show you. Okay, here it will not show you directly like these things. You have to select. So you have to go here in this three dot sign. Okay, in the left top corner. So if you click there, you can see or drive is there, Redmi Y3 is there, image, video, audio is there. If you have memory card, then memory card also will be shown there. So I will go there directly in the uh, file manager here. No, so click in the file manager. Okay, file manager. So in the file manager you will get a folder called cam scanner. So cam scanner is there, and in the cam scanner you will get PDF folder there. Inside every PDF will be stored in your internal memory, or it will be stored in the memory card, but the folder name will be cam scanner like this thing. So I will click in cam scanner, and if it is PDF you will get PDF folder inside. So click in the PDF, then you can see okay, many folder I have already created before, but this time I have named maths 1 like this thing. So I will click in maths 1, and here you can see downward, okay, cancel, and more is there. So I will click okay. So okay, now check this out. It will take because 1.10 MB was there, so maps one PDF appeared there. So what I will do is I will hand in. So this much finished. Hand in, hand in. Yeah, submitted. And then it, but it's saying don't let. No, you can see that maths one again, and teacher will see. And if teacher will open this maths one, then he or she will see how easy it is. Then it is easy to make correction also. And teacher or even you yourself, you can see what you have posted there if you send this using the PDF format. Okay, so this much. And see, for the camera scanner or the cam scanner, you can go there, and if you want to change the storage location from mobile memory to phone memory, again you have to go here in this left top corner and click there. Here you will find setting in the second last, so click in the setting, and dock management is here, document management. So click in the dock management. You can say at last storage settings, save to phone memory, like this. If you have memory card, save to memory card, like this. Got that? So memory card, if it is already in the memory card, it will show downward. If it is in the phone memory will come downward. So if you click in phone memory, then yeah, save to phone memory, like this. No, so you can change the location yourself. Okay, so that is in the dock management. Where you have to go is in the third three line, setting, and then dock management, and then save to storage settings, save to phone memory or memory card. Got that? Okay, this is about the cam scanner, how to create PDF and submit in the classwork. Yes, quit. Okay, classroom app. No, done. Okay, good. And maybe you will not find somewhere the, see, in the classroom app, while submitting the homework, what may happens is you want to attach the, okay, no attachment is there. Let me open other. Okay, yatra shuru karo. Here you can see add attachment file as usual. Here if you go, if you click here, maybe it will not show here, but something like Redmi Y3, it will be shown there. That is the mobile phone cam scanner, you can see as usual, and PDF see. Or maybe there will be something like take the example, image, video, audio will be there. Or you can find the things like take the example, file manager will be there. No, so something will be there in your mobile phone, and it also depend upon different mobile phone. So what kind of mobile